are building a match up of an existing or even future marketplace into a single network, focusing on Polygon, NFT, tooling infrastructure, everything ZK, Fluence network, Sequence wallet, IPFS/Polygon. Anyone can build a new services. So it means that anyone can open their own marketplace or they can connect directly to the OpenSea. Here are a few examples of the services. You can build another services that maybe have a royalty of 0.5. Another example, user can build up a relay service to top up gas fee, so they can actually pay a third party services for them. Another example, using IPFS. As a user, you need to deploy the information to a certain node. You can provide a service that to deploy front end, whereby you're going to have a more permanent node. Anyone can build anything to expand the ecosystem. So this is what we call the special NFT that we propose on. New special ERC71, what we call an asset wrapper. Here, the wrapper we call a bundle. So as a user, they can put any asset, ERC71, ERC21155 into this wrapper. This wrapper can handle a multiple asset at the same time. You can sell as a bundle, or you can actually sell one by one of the item. The wrapper are actually built within ZKP. User can extend the smart contract services, so have a more restrict buyer. If you want to buy NFT A, you need to have an NFT B, all depending on the user to build up their own service. At the end of the process, on the withdrawal or upon selling, the wrapper will be burn and the assets inside the wrapper will be sent back to the destination, to the buyer or back to the user in case they're dropping the sales. Thank you very much. So this is a short note. I actually have two. One is the one that's already configured, another one is a new one. We have the connecting to our Fluence network. At the same time, I'm going to show you the sequence login. So I wish for him to log in. This is one of the bundle that I create. Let's create our first box. So at this point, we're actually using our semaphore node, the ZK part, and once we get the proof, then we actually send it to do the minting. Confirm. Once you already do the minting, they will request to approve. So this is actually to approve the smart contract. Close. Yep, this is a new bundle that we have. You can put one item, you can put multiple items inside here. So for our case, let's put an item. Yep, you can see here one ERC20, 21. You can check out the asset. Once we finish up the deposit, then we can start selling in 0.2 Matic. Start listing. Wait for the transaction to complete. Done. Now this bundle, the bundle file is actually in selling. Alright, so this is our consumer part to read information from multiple nodes. For now, I just search everything from the nodes. So since we have one that actually running here, and I have another one that actually running, so they should return two items that are able to be sold. Yep, you have bundle 4 and bundle 5. Let's buy bundle 4. Confirm. Yep, complete ready. So if you go back to, if you see that bundle 4, all the items have been sold.
Okay, let's say here in bundle 1 we want to withdraw from the listing. We can click this unpack button, so it will return back the item to the original sender. Okay, if we see in this Polygon scan address, you can see here the item is returned back to the original owner.